Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Coleman Sundome Camping Tent. This is a popular tent that is known for its ease of use and affordability. It is a great option for beginner campers or families who are looking for a comfortable and spacious tent. I've been using this tent for a few years now, and I've been really happy with it. It's easy to set up and take down, even by myself. It's also very spacious, with enough room for 2 adults and 2 children. In this video, I'm going to give you a more in-depth look at the tent. I'll show you how to set it up, how to use it, and what I like and don't like about it. I'll also give you my thoughts on whether or not I think it's a good value for the price. So, if you're looking for a new camping tent, then be sure to watch this video. Let's get started. Here are some of the key points that you can mention in your intro. The product name: Coleman Sundome Camping Tent. The product features: easy to set up and take down, spacious interior, durable construction, weather-resistant, affordable price. How easy the product is to set up and take down. Your personal experience with the product. How long have you been using it? What have you liked about it? What haven't you liked about it? Whether or not you think the product is a good value for the price. You can also end your intro with a call to action, such as asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or leave a comment below. Here are some additional things you can mention in your intro. The pros and cons of the tent. How the tent compares to other camping tents on the market. Where to buy the tent. Any special offers or discounts that are available.